Hello everyone. In the last class, we discussed about ls command, cat command, and mkdir command. We just saw basics of all the commands, how you can use cat command to create files, to append files. We saw those all things, and we saw some more cat related commands. Okay, how you can append uh, data in already created file using cat command, how you can create a new file and append the data of two files into one file. Then we saw ls command and some optional ls command like ls-l, ls-a, ls-r. Then we saw mkdir command. We also created a directory in folder 2 that was world, and inside the world we created many subdirectories. ls folder 2, uh, let's see, yes, like this we are seeing recursively what was inside folder 2. So inside folder 2 we had files, and then we also had directory. This is the blue color means directory. Then inside world, what we had inside world? Inside world we had Asia and file. This one is file, this one is a directory. Again in Asia directory we had India, in India directory we had Noida. Got it? Now, so today we will be discussing a very important command, that is ls command we are done with, right? So today we will discuss another important command, that is cp command. Again, cp command is used for copying from one location to another. I am using yesterday's EC2 instance only, that was created using AWS Red Hat Linux. So that's why all the files and directories are same. Okay, suppose let's go into direct folder 2. Okay, cd2 folder 2. What do we have in folder 2? Inside folder 2 we have file A, file B, file C, file D, and a world folder. Suppose there is a use case that I want to move this file D into this world folder. Okay. Right now, what do we have in world? Inside world, we have Asia and file Z. Now I want file D to be copied inside the world directory. Okay. So the command we will use is, again, always remember your current path. What is it? Okay, /home /ec2 user /folder 2. We want to copy this folder 2. Right now we are here only. We want to copy from here only. From this location, we want to copy file D to world. Okay. So simply what we can do, cp, since currently we are in the same directory where this file exists, file D, we will simply do source name, that is file D, and we want to copy it to, where do we want to copy it? Inside world. Okay. Let's see if it works or not. Okay. Do ls inside the world directory. Let's see what we have now. See, earlier we had Asia and file Z. Now we have Asia, file Z, and file D. This means successfully we copied one file into this directory. Suppose I want to uh, copy this file D into my home/ec2 user. That was at 2 steps previous, right? So currently where we are at folder 2 level. Where is the file D? It is inside world directory. Okay, cp, inside the world directory we have something called file D, right? Now this file D I want to copy to destination. This is the source. Copy space source. This is the source file name. And the destination is, suppose from here I want to move two steps back, right? So dot dot slash and yeah, dot dot slash will work fine. Okay, because that was home slash ec2 user. Let's see. Now do cd, do ls. See, file d got copied. When did it got copied? File d space hyphen l, control c. Sorry, not this one. I want to see the details that when was this file copied, right? Let's do ls space hyphen l. So file d July 13, 1801. Okay, again, let's see in detail. 18.1. Okay, right now it's 1802. It's UTC. That's why you are saying 18. I mean, it's UTC time, not Indian Standard Time, right? So that's why. Right now it's 1802. The file got copied at 1801. This means it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so let me paste the command. Always remember, it's very easy only. Let me paste it here. Simply we'll use cp space. Okay, one more thing, guys. It's the best practice that instead of directly writing cp and source and destination that we were doing up till now, it's better to write hyphen I also. Why? Hyphen I means interactive. Okay, suppose that the file already exists. For example, inside folder 2, a file d already exists, right? If we do ls, file d is here also. Now suppose I want to copy this file d again to folder 2. Okay, let's see how we can do that. Cp hyphen I, interactive mode, file d. This is the source file. Huh? Where do we want to copy? Folder 2. Okay, see, now it is asking you a permission that do you want to override this because it already exists. Okay, you just do yes. Now it got copied. Suppose the same command, if I would have run without using interactive, what would happen? See, directly it copied, didn't ask for confirmation. But it's the best practice that you always specify hyphen I. Okay, so that it asks for confirmation. See, let me do this again. See, it's asking, do you want to overwrite? If I do yes, then it will copy. If I don't do no, then it will not copy. Again, there is one more command, cp space hyphen f. F means forcefully. If I do this, then it will copy forcefully without even asking for permission. Okay, it will forcefully copy the file from one location to another. This means that whenever you run cp hyphen f or you simply run cp, both commands are same only. If you run cp also, it directly copies the file from one location to another. If you use hyphen f also, then also it directly copies. Hyphen f is nothing but forceful. So if you don't specify anything, it will consider this as the default and forcefully push or copy the file from this location to this location. Okay. Hence, it's always a good practice to specify -i. Now, one more thing. Let me install a package today. Just now for our use case, we are installing, and so that you will get idea also. Sudo yum install tree. Tree is a package we are going to install -y. So sudo is the sudo privilege, means as a root privilege you are giving to this command. Okay, so that you don't get any permission issue. Yum install. So this is the command which is used for Red Hat Linux to install any dependencies, install any package. Yum install. What package you want to install? Tree package. The name of a package is tree. -y. -y we are specifying. This simply means yes. So that whatever question is asked, my answer is yes. Please install and move ahead. Okay. If you don't specify -y, then we will have to type yes, yes, yes. Okay. If I give -y, then directly it will install. See, enter. See, installed. How to verify which tree? Okay, user bin tree. This means it is installed. Now run tree. This is the use case of tree command. Currently we are here. We have these many files and folders. Inside folder 2, these we have these many files and folders. Inside this we have another folder world, in which we have Asia, in which we have India, in which we have Noida. Got it? Suppose that I want to copy file 1 from this location. This is my current location. This dot you see, this is my present working directory. This dot specifies present working directory. Okay. So from here, if I want to take any file, and suppose I want to paste it into Noida directory. This is the last directory. So let's paste into Noida directory. Any file. For example, file 1. Okay. cp -i, name of the file. We are giving the name directly because currently we are here only. Suppose we would be in one step back, then we would have to give the again absolute relative path also. Okay. Suppose right now let me show you this one. Then again from this location only, I will select another file and paste it here so that you can understand. Okay. Okay. cp file 1 we want to copy. File 1. Before this, let me do one more thing. Inside file 1, let's see if we have any data. Okay, we have hello, I'm in file 1, namaste. We have many data here. Okay. Now I want to copy file 1 to Noida directory and check that if the data is same or not, whether it's being copied successfully or not. cp space -i in interactive mode only, because it's the best practice. Name of the file, file 1, and space. After this space, you need to provide the destination. What's the destination? Folder 2. Okay. Folder 2. Inside folder 2, there is a world directory. Okay. Inside the world directory, there is Asia directory. Inside Asia directory, there is India directory. Inside India directory, there is Noida directory. Okay. So copy this file 1 to this location. Do enter. Okay. It got copied in one go. Now you must think it didn't ask for permission. See, because we copied first time. Suppose I run this command again, then it will ask, do you want to override? Suppose I do no. It will do nothing. Okay. That's why I always tell use cp-i command. Now let's verify whether this file got created or not. Copy this whole location. Instead of going inside here, just copy this and do cat inside Noida. What was the file name? It was file 1, right? Do enter. See, the file got copied from one location to from this location. The file is, we have one copy of the file here also. Okay. Now, sir, from this location only, which is from the present working directory home slash ec2 user, this location, I want to copy this file for file B inside Noida. Okay. So for that, you need to give the relative path, or you can give absolute path also. What is relative path? What is absolute path? Let's see. Suppose we are here home slash ec2 user. I will give relative path first. Copy cp hyphen I. Which file we want to copy? File A. Before that, let's see if we have any content inside file A. No, we don't have any content. Can we add some content? Absolutely, we can. I am file A. Verify. Yes, I am file A. Good. Now, the file A, I want to paste in Noida location. Currently, I am here. Let's see. cp space hyphen I, the absolute, the relative path. From this location, I want to go to folder 2 slash. In folder 2, I want to select a file, that is file A, and that file A, I want to paste to a location which is folder 2 slash world slash Asia slash India slash Noida. So you, I hope you understand this command. Before executing, let me explain once more. So this is your source. Currently, where you are home at this location, home slash ec2 user. I want to copy this file, file A. So from here, first I will have to specify the path of this file. So what I did was, from here I specified the path. I am here inside folder 2. There is something called file A. Okay, this is the source location. Okay, then what we did, we give the destination. What is the destination? Destination also from in this respect on. Okay, in folder 2 inside world Asia India Noida, create file A. Okay, enter. Now let's verify. How can you verify? We can do ls. See, see, file A is here. Let's see the content. Cat, oh sorry, Noida slash file A. I am file A. I hope you understand what I was trying to explain here. So this was all about copy command. Okay. So I hope you understood the difference. cp-high. Suppose what is cp-f. Then again we saw simple. Let me write it here only. This one is equal to simply cp command also. So these both commands are same only. Okay. So if you don't specify anything, it will take this forceful only. Now, suppose we right now we are creating, we are copying files, right? Now, suppose I want to copy one directory to another directory. This folder one directory is there. Uh, let's create some uh, subfolders also inside that. So mkdir inside folder one. Okay, let's go inside folder one. inside folder 1, mkdir a b c. ls abc are three directories which I created inside folder 1. Do tree command. See? A B C inside folder 1. These are the three things I created. See this one. Okay. Now I want to copy this folder 1 into another folder. Suppose I want to copy in folder 2, or let me create another folder here, that is folder 3. I don't want to disturb the folder 2. Let me create folder 3. Now do ls. Folder 1, folder 2, folder 3 are there. Good. Do tree command. I want to copy this folder inside folder 3. So can we simply use copy cp command, cp-i? No, that is for only files. Okay. If you want to copy folders also, you need to use something command like this, cp space hyphen ri. Okay. Then source directory. What is the source you want to copy? Folder 1 I want to copy. Where do you want to copy? I want to copy in folder 3. Okay. Enter. Do ls. Now do tree. Now see. Folder 3 got created. Inside folder 3, folder 1 got created. And inside folder 1 we have A, B, C folders. Okay. So if at all you want to copy a folder and its subfolder into another directory, then you can use cp-ri. Ri is nothing but recursively you can copy, but it's used to copy directories only. Okay. Okay. One more thing, guys. Uh, I hope you understood this. Let me paste this one here. cp-ri source destination. Okay. The use case is to recursively copy from one location to another. Okay. I hope you understood this one. Right. Now, suppose one more thing. Understand. Uh, Suppose inside folder 1 there is A and B. Okay, let's go to folder 1. Right now we are in folder 1. There are three directories A, B, and C. I want to copy A and B into C. Okay. What command can I use? cp-ri. Now I want to copy only these two, right? So cp-ri A, B, C. Now whatever you specify in the end, okay, that becomes the destination. So here C is the destination. A and B are the source files. Okay. I want to copy A and B inside C. How will Linux understand that you want to copy inside C only? Because it's in the last. Okay. So whatever is written in the last, Linux treats it as a target. Okay. Let's see. Do ls. We have abc. Do tree command. See, inside abc we have c, and inside c a and b got copied. Suppose cp hyphen ri, I do b c a. What is bca now? What will this do? Sir, Bachelor of Computer Science, computer application. No, no, no. B and C are the directories which will be copied to, where will be copied? A. Okay. It's in the end. Let's see. Rotary command. See, inside A, B and C got copied. And since inside C we had A and B already, so that also got copied here. Got it? So you got structure something like this. Okay. I hope you understood this. Now one more command. This was all about copy command. Okay. One more command is there. Move slash rename. In Windows, how do you move that? Same. Go right click, cut paste, cut paste. Move means cut paste. Okay. How do you rename? Right click, cut, and select rename option, right? But in Linux, it doesn't work that way. Okay. How does it work in Linux? Let's understand. So to move files and folders from one location to another, we use the command mv. Okay. And to rename folders or files, we again use a command, that is mv. So to rename also and to move also we use mv. Let's see how. I hope you understood this. Suppose this got very big, right? Now suppose this folder 1, I think I should delete it because it's unnecessarily increasing the complexion, right? So let me delete it. Rm space rf. Never use this command which I am using, okay? Never ever ever. I am using because I am in full senses. Suppose till now we were copying from one file location to another. Now suppose I have a requirement. This file z is present. I want to cut it and paste it into uh, Asia directory. Okay, cut paste, cut paste. First, let's see what we have in file z. Hi, how are you? Okay, tree command lets us easily run the commands. Okay, it gives a very good idea and context about which files are where. So, file z we want to cut and paste in Asia directory. MV, and what is the file you want to copy? File z. Where do you want to copy? Inside folder 2, inside world, inside Asia I want to move. Enter. Let's see now. Let's use tree command only. If file z is present here or not. See, file z is not present. Earlier it was here. Right now, file z is gone. Where has it gone? Inside here, Asia. Okay. Earlier inside Asia we didn't have anything called file z. Now inside Asia we have file z. Sir, but I want to rename. Okay. I want to rename. Then also you told that you will use mv command only. Okay. See, I want to rename file 3 as file E. Okay. mv file 3. I want to rename my file 3 as suppose my file 3. My file 3. Okay. Enter. Do tree again. See. Uh, okay. What it did was, yes, yes, here we have it. My file 3. See. Actually, it is in the same location only, but alphabetically it is M is below, right? Let's rename it to A file. A file 3. Okay. MV my file 3 to AA notary. Okay. Just to show you so that you don't get confused. Okay. A my file 3. Here it is. So this was all about MV command. Again, the last command we are going to see right now is RM command. Okay. I am moving very slow. I mean, it's one day topic, but since I want to make you understand in depth so that you never forget, that's why I'm moving very slow. RM command to remove or delete files or folders. Okay. Let's see. Let's delete few. I want to delete a ABC file. Okay. RM space. There are many related commands. RM space hyphen I ABC. The file name. Enter. See, it's asking because I gave hyphen I. It's asking remove regular empty file ABC. Suppose I give no, then it will not be removed. RM space. If I don't give hyphen I, it asked. No, it didn't. Two three. The ABC file got deleted forcefully. Okay. This means it's also a good practice always to use hyphen I here. Okay. Yes. RM space hyphen F A my file 3. This will forcefully delete. Okay. It will not ask anything. Okay. It deleted. Verify. See. It got deleted. Here also RM hyphen RI RM hyphen F and RM command both are same. If you don't give hyphen or if you don't specify anything, it will treat it as forceful deletion only. Okay. Same as copy command. Suppose I want to delete a directory. Which directory? This. Let's go inside the folder. Any directory you want to delete. Suppose inside folder 3 we have folder 1 and I want to delete directory C. Okay. RM command will not work. It works only for file level. Okay. Suppose you want to delete directory. So again, path concept comes here. So you need to use RM hyphen RI. Recursively you want to delete something. Inside, suppose inside folder 3, I want to delete folder 1. Fully I want to delete. Okay. Then it will fully delete. If I use RI and specify folder name, it will fully delete A, B, and C. Suppose no, I want to delete like this. RM space. I want to delete only folder C. Suppose okay. RMDIR. Which directory you want to delete? Give the absolute path. In folder 3, we have folder 1. Inside folder 1, we have C. Blue tree now. C is gone. I hope you understood this thing. Okay. So if you do -ri, it will delete everything. rm-ri. Okay. So rm is the command. And yeah, I mean, today we discussed three commands, that is rm command, mb command, and cp command. Okay. We discussed all the commands in depth. So I hope you understood every command today, whatever we discussed. Okay. So yeah, I explained you in a very, very, very basic level. So please, if you understood anything, uh, just post it in the comment section. If you have any doubts, post it in the comment section. If you like my teaching style, post it in the comment section. If you don't like my teaching style, then also post it in the comment section so that I can improve. If you want notes, again, post it in the comment section with your email address. I will directly send you a very well documented notes that is in PDF format. Whatever I have explained, it's written in the notes so that you can easily see and understand. Got it? So I think we are done for today, and let's meet again tomorrow. Thank you if you stayed till here. Thank you so much, guys. So let's again meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.